Welcome to our guide on how to become assertive. Whether you're leading a team or managing a project, assertiveness is key to success. Let's dive into 7 tips and tricks for leaders. Tip 1. Know your worth. Understand your strengths and weaknesses. Visualize a scale tipping in favor of strengths, with weaknesses being smaller weights. Embrace your strengths confidently. Tip 2. Listen actively. Effective communication starts with listening. Show a leader nodding attentively as team members speak. Think about bubbles with key points floating from speakers to the leader's ears. Tip 3. Speak up. Don't be afraid to voice your opinions and ideas. It is like a leader standing tall and speaking confidently, with supportive nods and smiles from colleagues. Tip 4. Stay calm. Assertiveness shines brightest in tough times. Imagine a leader maintaining composure amidst chaos, with a serene expression and decisive actions. Tip 5. Be constructive. Provide feedback that helps others grow. Visualize a leader offering feedback with a mix of encouragement and guidance, fostering a positive environment. Tip 6. Collaborate effectively. Build strong relationships through collaboration. Imagine a leader collaborating with team members, each leveraging their distinct abilities to accomplish a shared objective. Tip 7. Celebrate achievements. Recognize and celebrate milestones. Picture a leader celebrating and congratulating team members, as colorful confetti falls around them to commemorate the moment. By implementing these tips and tricks, you can become a more assertive leader, driving success for yourself and your team. Thanks for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe to our channel.